Right here on this Jeep, we are in the final stage for it to finish its full upgraded elevated audio installation. So right here, you'll see Miguel in that driver's seat. So what does that mean? What have we done? We have completed our installation, everything down from the sound deadening components to making custom speaker adapters for components in the top of this Jeep versus coaxials. So right here, we already tuned with Barney, made a beautiful sound system inside, and now Miguel, who has a phenomenal ear, is coming in and doing those final details to make this system perfectly tuned to our client's ear. We tuned this system with an incredible piece of technology called Barney. Barney right here actually has one microphone in each ear, and that's what allows us to really start the designing and sound within this system. So we're going to control essentially how long it takes every speaker to reach your ear and control where that sound is going to be tuned within the vehicle. So instead of like the sound in the middle of the speakers going to the very center of your vehicle, we are controlling where that is to give you as the driver the best experience. So when we're in a Jeep, there is so much versatility in where that subwoofer enclosure can go. Some people are going to want a full custom built box, and that can add 1 or 2 subwoofers. It can add design and style into your build. Tailgate options are also available in Jeeps, depending how much you utilize this space and just the style you want. But let's talk about why we chose our subwoofer location in this build. This is really going to be utilized. It's going to have camping equipment, it's going to have school bags, it's going to be filled and utilized often. So what can we do? Jeeps come in and they actually have a nice little factory hump right here with available space that is going to be perfect to sit an 8 or a 10. So in this instance, we're going to use a 10-inch sub, utilizing that space that's available in factory, but with a custom one-of-a-kind enclosure that's really just going to be a nice detail into this system.